Okay guys, if you saw my video regarding the motorized blinds, and I also was doing a quick comparison regarding the solar panel. So the solar panel's on the window and the sun actually coming through the window right now. It's actually becoming sunny out, and I wanted to just test the power of the solar panel through the window. I do have a charging up. This has been discharged, so I want to see how much it's powering this, how much voltage is coming through the system here. So let's take a quick look here together. So currently right now it's 3.77 volts. It is 0.53 amps and approximately looks like, I would say 0.17 watts. So not too much power coming out there. It's really kind of low. And that's almost getting pretty good sun. It's a little under the clouds a little bit. It's through the window. It's not obstructed. I got the panes not obstructing it. This is a 5 volt, 3.5 watt panel. That's what this is. This is discharged, and this is what I'm currently getting right now through my window. And as the sun is starting to come out a little bit more, it's getting a little bit more powerful, let's call it. Let's get a little closer here, see if we can get a little, there we go. You can see there, so 3.99, a little darker over here, you can see 3.99, and we're getting roughly 0.44 watts. So that's what I'm getting through and it's pretty sunny. I mean, the sun's coming through the glass. It's not pointed at the sun, but you can see I am getting some decent decent volts. The amps a little low, and the watts is really low. So it's rated 3.5, and it's only 0.57. So that's pretty low. In general, you can just see that it's pretty low. So let's take this outside. The sun's really starting to come out through the clouds now. I just want to take it outside and just see exactly what we're going to get with full sun, and just get a comparison without a window, and then just to see exactly what we get really from a solar panel that you get from a solar company that does these blinds. And this is just some technology, some information, and just some basic information regarding these kind of solar panels. This is an indoor panel. This is not designed for outdoors, only designed for indoors. And that's pretty much how that works, being with full sun. There you go. You can see that right there, 0.5. The amps is really low. And all right, let's take it outside and see what we get with the full sun. Okay, guys, I'm outside with full sun, and we're getting 1.7 watts. So it's much better. You can see here, we're still getting that 5 volts. So we're getting that 5 volts is really starting to crank, 0.268 amps. But the watts is 1.5. You can see it. I'm actually in the full sun. It is full sun right now, and that's what I'm actually getting out of this panel. And I'm not sure if it's going to perform much more than that, even though it's rated for 3.5. But 1.75 will charge your blind. There's no question about that. But you can just see exactly what I'm talking about when it comes to these blinds. So with these solar panels, you can just see it's just so important to have as much sun as possible to get the maximum amount of charging out of these little tiny solar panels. Again, it's outside right here, just sitting outside in the sun, and pointing it right to it. I mean, you can't get any better than that. Put it on the stairs here, and that's pretty close. And one more time, let's see, one more time, we'll get a quick, see how it drops just like that. So now we're getting 0.76 just by moving it just a little. They're very sensitive, these little solar panels. But that's what I have here. I just want to make a quick video and just show you inside the window, outside, when you're getting full sun. I mean, these are very particular. I mean, you really have to be sitting in the sun just like it is right now. You can see it's sitting in the sun. I'm trying to give it the best angle possible. And I'm trying to get a reading again back up to 1.2, 1.25. You can see that. The watts kicking up a little bit, and the volts 3.7 right there. There's a really good shot. You can see it's not much, but that's what I have. That's what it is, and it'll charge it slowly. That's what I got. All right, guys, appreciate it as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I think it's cool. I think they work, but they're just very limited, and I don't think it's the highest quality, but it does do what it's supposed to do. All right, guys, I appreciate it. If you have any questions or any comments, leave down below. I appreciate everyone watching this kind of video just to see how these solar panels react. And this battery is in here is totally dead, so I'm getting full power out of it. There's no resistance at all. It should be getting right up there, and hopefully it makes a difference. All right, guys, appreciate it as always. Thanks for watching.